Hey everybody, it's about 20 till 5 here in the evening, and I'm tired. I had planned on cooking some today, but my neurologist had asked me to make 3 cheesecakes for her. And I knew I didn't need to try to make videos of that stuff today. And I don't care to make a video of a cheesecake for you all. I don't care a bit to. But when I'm trying to get things done and keep things cleaned up and keep it going, I don't try to do a video like that because it's too stressful and I mess something up and that's a costly mistake. But she had sent me a message and asked me if I would make her some cheesecakes. She's got a resident at the hospital that is finishing up her last week of her residency, and she will be a full-fledged doctor now. So a neurologist, I guess. I guess that's what she is doing. I'm not sure. But anyway, I've got all the cheesecakes made, but I have to fix the toppings. So tomorrow afternoon, she wants one of them lemon, so I'm going to make some homemade lemon curd tomorrow. And then one of them she wants chocolate caramel, and that's not, most of the time when I make the chocolate caramel, I use pre-made ingredients and things because it's just easier and it works really good. It's crazy to do all that extra stuff when you can buy stuff that fits the bill perfectly. Then the other one is blueberry, which I've got the blueberries. I have to make some blueberry compote, the blueberry stuff that goes on top with, and I use lemon juice and sugar and just a little, I don't even really use any water with this. It's just the lemon juice. And I heat it up slowly, and then I make a slurry, a cornstarch slurry to thicken it. And that's what I use for the top of the blueberry. It works really good. It works really good. And then, of course, I have to make whipped cream, stabilized whipped cream, and do the little stuff on top of it. But anyway, I'll probably do some of that tomorrow if you all are interested. If you want to tune in, if you think you'd like to see me make the lemon curd, you can tell me, and I will try to make a video of that if you want to. But I'm going to be busy part of tomorrow, so I don't know when I'll get in tomorrow afternoon and get it done. But I've got to take my son, follow my son to take the car to get the brakes put on it. So my friend Harvey's putting on his brakes, so we're going to get that done. And I'm going to take him and the kids out to eat and stuff. And but anyway, just spend a little time with them tomorrow, because since I'm going to be following him up there, I have to he can't remember how to get back to the place, so he's not used to it, though. He's not familiar with that area over there, so I understand. There's a lot of little nooks and turns you got to do, and it's hard to remember all of it. But anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. You all let me know. I was going to make some of that garden slaw again, too. I bought me a big cabbage head the other day and 4 big pretty tomatoes down at the Amish. So I'd have to get me some cucumbers, though, because it has cucumbers in it. But if you'd like to see that again, I can make that again for you. There's a lot of new people I know that haven't ever seen it. And it's just a country slaw. It's not anything dramatic. It's just really, really good. So, but anyway, I'll talk to you all later. You all have a blessed day. Do something good for somebody today. Remember, Jesus loves you.